Hello everyone, so today I will teach you how to multiply and divide simple polynomial, which is under the grade 8 matatag curriculum. This is quarter 1 and this is your lesson 3. Here is our objective. You will just multiply and divide simple polynomials. And this is the first thing that you should remember. So first I will discuss you the product rule of exponent. The product rule of exponents states that, when you multiply two exponential terms, ibig sabihin ng exponential term, these are the terms that has exponents o merong mga exponent with the same base, meron siyang same ang kanyang base. You can add the exponents and keep the same, keep the base the same, or keep the base the same. Okay, just like this. So this can be represented by a raised to m multiplied to a raised to n is equal to am plus n. As you can see here, the two terms has exponents in this with the same base, o parehas ang kanyang base, which is a, and ang kanyang exponents ay magkaiba, yung m at n. Ang gagawin mo lang is to keep the base the same and just have to add m plus n. Okay, yung a mo dito is any non-zero real number, and your m and a, while your m and n are positive integers. Okay, para mas maintindihan natin, we'll have our examples. So multiply, ang multiply muna natin. So again, applying the rule, yung kanina, yung a raised to m times a raised to n, anong gagawin mo? You have to keep the base the same and you'll just have to add the exponent. Okay, since the base, as you can see, first is to look for the base of the exponential term. Okay, nakikita mo naman na they have the same, or they have the same base. Ang gagawin mo lang is to add the exponent. Okay, the result will be, pagpa-plus mo lang si 2 plus 5. Okay, lagyan ko lang. That is a, keep the base the same, or just have to copy mo lang yan. Tapos 2 plus 5. And the answer is, yes, that is a raised to 7. How about this one? Parehas ba ang base? Yes, kung parehas ang base, just copy it. Okay, that is 2. And ano ang kanya exponent? Magkaiba. Then we'll just have to, and pag multiplication, pinag-add mo lang ang exponent. So 2 plus 3. Okay, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, that is 2 raised to 5. Anong ibig sabihin nito? That, yes. Ang ibig sabihin lang, 5 beses ka mamumultiply. 2 times 2. Ano ko na lang para mas madali. Times 2 times 2. 5 beses yan na 2 times 2. Okay, what is 2 times 2? That is 4 times 2, that is 8 times 2, that is 16 times 2, that is 32. Therefore, the answer is 32. Okay. For the next example, that is 3 times 3 raised to 2. So you can see the base is the same. Anong sinasabi ko kapag walang nakalagay na exponent? Automatic 1 yan. Lagyan mo na lang ng 1. And therefore, Ang gagawin mo lang dyan is to copy the base kasi parehas lang, and then add the exponent. So 1 plus 2, and then you have the 3 raised to 3, and that is 3 times 3 times 3, and that is equal to 27. Very good. How about this one? 7rs times r raised to 4s squared. Paano yan? Again, meron bang parehas na base? O kung wala na, gawin na lang natin to. I-multiply natin ito, maglagay lang tayo ng 1 dito, automatic may 1 yan. That is 7 times 1, that is, so pwede kang maglagay ng 1 dito before the r raised to 4 and s squared. O, maglagay tayo, o pwede maglagay ng 1, and then ang gagawin mo lang is to multiply mo yung mga magkakaparehas para mas mabilis. Okay? 7 times 1, that is, yes, very good, that is 7. Tapos, isulat ko na lang para mas maano. Okay, tapos i-multiply mo din yung r doon sa r raised to 4. R times r raised to 4. Again, anong ibig sabihin kapag walang exponent? That is automatic, mayroong 1. And then, we have also s times s squared. Or s raised to 1 times s squared. So, makukuha natin ang 7r raised to 5 s cube. Paano nangyari yan? Kasi nga 7 times 1, that is 7. Tapos r raised to 1 times r raised to 4, that is r raised to 5. Kasi 1 plus 4, di ba? Ikakopy mo lang, they have the same base. 1 plus 4, that is 5. And then s raised to 1 and s squared times s squared, and that is 1 plus 2, that is 3, and then that is s cube. O, paano naman ang letter A? So again, 3 times 5, that is, yes, that is 15. Tapos x cube times x squared, pag addin mo lang ang exponent, si 3 at si 2, makukuha mo ang x raised to 5, and then again, si y squared times y squared, that is y raised to 4. Okay. Kaya pag pinagsama natin sila, that is 15x raised to 5, y raised to 4. Sana nakuha mo. Okay? Now, let's go with the division. This is the things that you should remember under the quotient rule. The quotient rule of exponents states that when you divide two exponential terms with the same base, you can subtract the exponents and keep the same base the same. Parang ganun lang sa ang pinagkaiba nito sa product rule. Dito is nagsusubtract tayo. Doon sa product rule is nag-add tayo. Sa quotient rule, nagsusubtract. Sa product rule, nag-add. And where your A again is a non-zero real number, and while your M and N are positive integers. So let's have more examples in dividing simple polynomials. Okay, magdi-divide na tayo ngayon by applying this rule, okay? Are you ready? Yes, very good. So, sinulat ko naman na dito yung ating rule. under the quotient or your quotient rule of exponent. Here, the first na i-divide natin is, i-apply lang natin ito. Pinalitan ko lang yung m and n ng positive integers. Anong gagawin mo dito? Since they have the same base, you'll have to copy, and then yung nasa exponent sa numerator mo, yung exponent doon, isusubtract mo lang. 7 minus 2. Okay? Sorry. Okay? So, exponent sa taas, isusubtract doon sa baba. 7 minus 2, that is, sorry, again. Okay, this is 9, sorry, I forgot. Gabi na. Sorry. So, that is a raised to 9 minus 2. And you will get a raised to 7. Okay, 9 yan pala. Naduduling na ako. Okay. Buti na lang nakita natin. Again, ang gagawin mo lang is to subtract. For letter B, numbers naman ang kanyang base, o number naman ang kanyang base, and they have the same base. You have to copy, and then subtract 7, 7 na to talaga, hindi na 9. 7 minus 5, and that is equal to 2. And therefore, magiging 2 raised to 2, and 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. Very good. Next, how about this one? Paano na to? Remember that you can also put 1 here. Automatic na yan. I-divide mo lang yung mga magkakamukha ang base. Okay. Divide natin. So, what is 8 divide 1? Tapos multiply mo lang yan. Wala namang maano dyan. And then, that is r raised to 4. And r squared times r squared yan, s squared divide s, that is s squared. Okay, kaya makukuha mo ngayon, what is 8 divide 1? That is 8. And then r raised to 4 divided with r squared, ma-minus mo lang to. 4 minus 2, that is, yes, that is, ito, pag subtracted mo lang yan, 4 at 2, that is r squared. And then s squared divide s, that is s doon. Kaya nakuha natin tong 8, nakuha natin tong r raised to 4, divide r squared, kaya nakuha ang r squared. Tapos, nakuha din natin ang S. Okay? Ganun lang. Sana naintindihan mo. How about the D? How about 8A raised to 8 B raised to 7 is divided by 4A cube B cube, or divided by 4A. Okay, ulitin ko. 8A raised to 8 B raised to 7 divided by 4A cube B cube. How about you try that one? I-divide mo yung parang ganito sa letter C. Okay, ang gawin mo. Turuan na lang kita. 8 divide 4 times A raised to 8 A cube divided by A cube times, ayusin natin. Ayusin ko lang. times b raised to 7 b cubed. Okay, ganun lang gawin mo. 8 divide 4, that is 2. 8 divided a raised to 8 divide a cubed, that is a raised to 5. b raised to 7 divided by b cubed, that is b raised to 4. That is answer. Pagsamahin mo lang yan. Okay? So let's have more examples. Multiply 8x by 2x plus 3. Anong gagawin mo dito? You can use the distributive property. Okay, distributive property.